para pau. Pa para pau.
Tóxico, plástico, cínico, irónico, una careta de tu estado psicológico. La poca empatía y tu egoísmo crónico te ha convertido en un sujeto catastrófico. Trágico, sádico, crítico, ilógico, aborrecible de un carácter tan caótico. Si tus intentos por cambiar son microscópicos, todo tu alrededor se volverá necrótico. Tu veneno letal vas regando sin piedad, infectando todo con tu toxicidad. Inyectas sin culpa la negatividad y no te disculpas de tu severidad. ¿Qué le vas a hacer? Estás podrido ya y no puedes ver todo lo que haces mal. Debes aprender a empatizar y darte cuenta de tu narcisismo debe ser. Tóxico, plástico, cínico, irónico, una careta de tu estado psicológico. La poca empatía y tu egoísmo crónico te ha convertido en un sujeto catastrófico. Trágico, sádico, crítico, ilógico, aborrecible de un carácter tan caótico. Si tus intentos por cambiar son microscópicos, todo tu alrededor se volverá necrótico.
not just forgive and forget. No, after catching you with her, your blood should run cold, so cold. You're two-time and cheap lying wannabe. You're a fool. If you thought that I'd just let this go, I see red, red, oh red. A gun to your head, to your head. Now all I see is red, red, red. Did you really just say she didn't mean anything? Oh, I remember those words when I cover your soul, your soul. Know that you dug your own grave, now lying in it. You're so cruel, but revenge is a dish best served cold. I see red, red, oh red. A gun to your head, to your head. Executioner style, and there won't be no trial. Don't you know that you're better off dead? All I see is red, red, oh red. Now all I see is right, hide. Oh, you're so done. Better sleep with one eye open tonight. I see red, red, oh red. Gun to your head, head to your head. Executioner style, and there won't be no trial. Don't you know that you're better off dead? All I see is red, red, oh red. Now all I see is red, red.
We were born in a slumber. No one really cared about us except for our parents, parents, parents. The government's dead. We were born in a slumber. Nobody cared about us except for our parents, parents, parents. The government's dead. You'll be alright, child. No healthcare. slumber. No one really cared about us except for our parents, parents, parents. The government's dead.